Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Very official start there. I've got a lot of colours happening. I just am wearing comfortable clothes and I haven't really cared what I look like, so don't mind what's happening here. So basically, my eyes are a bit gammy because hay fever. If you haven't watched my videos, it's really annoying. Anyway, so basically, I was planning this year on like going to America, going to like San Francisco, you know, venturing around, trying to get out of my comfort zone, because if I'm honest, I really struggled with being away from home and it was my year to overcome being homesick. But that's gone down the pan because of COVID-19. And one of the things I was really excited for was to try loads of new foods. And all the foods that I've always wanted to try would finally be able to get bagel seasoning, etc, etc. I'm not going to just sit here and mope around, no. We're going to make our own versions of the food. So I found like copycat recipes for all the food that I've wanted to ever try. We're going to go to Tesco's now, get the ingredients, and then when we come back, we can make the foods that I've always wanted to try. And then eventually one day I could compare and be like, oh yeah, this pumpkin pie tastes way better in America. But anyway, let's go to Tesco's and get the supplies, you know what I'm saying? This is literally the perfect day to do this video. Can you hear the rain? Oh, so comforting, and I'm like in my comfiest possible attire. I'm so ready, except I'm a bit bummed because they didn't have any pumpkin filling. So we've had a bit of a rain check. Literally. We are gonna make something else instead. So let's hip hop over home. Sorry. So we're gonna be starting off with the easiest one, because to be honest, we want ease. This is one, it's just something quick, just a quick little fun one. This is an Encrustable. Now Encrustables are something that I feel like the UK would never do, and I don't know why. They do look fun. However, a lot of waste from the food, but it just looks like such a great concept. I wonder, like, Banksy, can you be quiet for a hot sec, please? Jeepers. Essentially, an Encrustable is a sandwich with no crust and a bit of peanut butter and jam. Now, we call this jam, you guys call it jelly. I don't know why, because our jelly is a wibbly wobbly kind, which you call jello. Jello! Sorry, that was so lame, wasn't it? But it just looks fun. It looks, I don't know what it is about it, it looks fun like that. I also feel like our peanut butter is so different from American peanut butter. Get that all on there, oh yeah baby. It's so funny how all countries have such different food. It's really fascinating to me, I just love it. I love learning about other people's food because it's like, wow, there's a whole, you were brought up with Uncrustables and I only found out about them this year. They're a new thing in my vocabulary. It's just wild. And also, where are they in the fridge section? Are they in the chilled section? Like, are they frozen and you defrost them ready for school the next day? Are they a snack? Are they considered a snack? Like, what are they? This is satisfying. I feel like this is what I'm gonna do for my kids. But then no, see the thing is, I don't want my kids having a prejudice against crust, because crusts are great, full of, I don't actually know what they're full of, but for some reason, we're taught that crusts are good for us. You know, at school they're like, eat your crust because they'll make your hair grow long. Why do we say that? And then it has these little divots around the outside. Do we see this? Oh my gosh, it's coming together. Stop, I'm so excited. Why does food taste so much better when it's in a different form? Like, if this was just a normal peanut butter sandwich, could not care less. Now you take that back right now. You take back what you just said about peanut butter sandwiches. You do care about them. You care about them a lot. Stop, I think this might be my new snack. But then what about all of this? I'll just eat that on the side, you know. Does that look like an Uncrustable? Okay, here goes. It just tastes like a peanut butter sandwich. That's not what you've made. It is good though. And up next, sorry, just the urge for a hot water system really came over me. Up next, basically, we're going to be making Lucky Charms marshmallows. Now, I have tried Lucky Charms before, but I know that they have like a box of just marshmallows. However, I do think these are limited edition, but the only place you could get them was America. And I just want to make, you know how Kylie Jenner, I think she got sent a box of like marshmallows, just marshmallows. How fab. We don't have that luxury here. So what we're going to do is we're going to make the marshmallows. There's a lot of different recipes for this. I've actually gone for the most basic and easy because I want it to be accessible for you guys too. No, it's not because I'm lazy and don't have a mixer that the other recipes will call for. No, I swear it's not. Anyway, so we weigh out our marshmallows quite simply. Actually, marshmallows I feel like are used in a lot of American recipes. Now that's actually one, that's a recipe I should have done, but I don't have sweet potatoes. They put sweet potatoes with marshmallow on top. Then we add 2 tablespoons of water and microwave. So quite frankly, this is a simple one going so far. Then put it in the microwave, just our mini marshmallows. Key apparently is mini marshmallows, not big boy ones.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not...
It's so big and beautiful. Once all marshmallows are melted, it says transfer to a bowl with a dough hook. We don't have that. This is our dough hook. Stir on medium, but as I said, we don't have a dough hook, so we're just gonna, wow, it's like melty. How long do I stir for? Is this right? Until well combined. I'm gonna pretend I'm a dough hook. I'm doing a good job. Well, that's a bit of a workout, to be honest. My arm was a bit, I really puffed me out. I'm a countertop mixer. But that is so sticky. Look at this. I'm just gonna add some more icing sugar. It's so runny. I'm confused. I am confusion right now. Why is it so runny? And then it does say to knead it, so maybe I should just transfer it. That's it. Get thick, boy. Oh, now it's like this. A bit thicker. Oh, wow. Honey, we've got a long way going until this is a rollable dough. I think it's enough to roll it. Can you see? It's quite, I mean, it's still a bit squidgy. To be honest, I don't know what else to do at this point. I'm actually gutted. Maybe I should have just followed the really long recipe. Obviously, you can change the colour of it, but with how much complication we've had already, I'm just going to keep it pale pink because, to be honest, I think the pale pink does look cute anyway. This is not working! This is so annoying. A girl just wanted some Lucky Charms marshmallows, okay? This is a mess. This is a real conundrum, guys. I think it's never going to not be sticky. This is always going to be sticky. I don't think I'm ever going to get this to the consistency that it wants me to get it to. This is not what I wanted on my Tuesday afternoon. What about you? This is not what I was anticipating. Oh, it's quite fun to knead though. It's very warm, like soft. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. What do we do? We swim, swim, keep swimming. What do we do? We swim, swim. You know what? I should have just known that this was going to be a catastrophe because yesterday I bought the most precious mini cookie cutters. Look at that. That are like in the shapes of the Lucky Charms. And what happened was I dropped it. I've actually got real life footage of that I'll try and play now. I didn't tell that much, but oh no! I just dropped the mini cookie cutters everywhere. And I can't fit any of the cookie cutters back in where they should be. And I said the other week, in the famous words of Esteban Julio Carden Motoya de Rosa de Mires, this is a disaster. I feel like this has got character. I feel like I'm in Flubber and we're gonna accomplish a great movie together.
Flubber 2, coming to screens near you.
One of these. That noise, did you hear that? How do I get it out? I can't. I know. Oh, no, no, no!
But with your tiny little... Maybe dip it nice in sugar first.
I did do that. I did exactly that. They say cheaters never prosper. And they say never try and take the quick... Oh, just spill ice and sugar all down me. Never take shortcuts, because believe in yourself. Because that's the place to start. Come on. No! You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to bake some marshmallows in the oven. Lucky Charms are like dehydrated marshmallows, aren't they? So when you put them into the oven, they'll puff up because of the heat, but then they'll like solidify, and then when you put them back in the milk, they'll rehydrate. I reckon this is going to be our route for success. I reckon I could cut out a marshmallow with a cookie cutter. Because part of the Lucky Charms charm is that they're all like fun shapes. Oh my gosh, you can! It's a little heart cut out by a marshmallow. Pin cute they are. And then I'm gonna do just some normal ones because to be honest I can't, I'm a bit traumatized from all of that there. To be fair, now it's dried out, it's actually working, so we can test. I'm gonna do a taste test of all of the different marshmallows I've made. Really been enjoying watching those Korean like cafe vlogs. So I'm gonna turn this section into one just for fun. got the marshmallows. I've let them dry out for a bit. I feel like the Lucky Charm marshmallows are a bit firmer and like dry and crispy. Then if we go for the oven ones, this is what the oven ones look like. Maybe they're a bit burnt, but you know what? That actually tastes like a Lucky Charm. I think if I didn't burn those, that'd be exactly the same. Right, I'm gonna have some with milk. That's the ultimate test. With the pink ones first. So the pink ones going in the milk. That's just fondant. That's just fondant. That ain't it, chief. But if we go in with the crispy marshmallow from the oven, let's see if it like rehydrates itself. You know when it gets that texture when it's been in the milk? And it almost is like tacky around the outside. That's it. I've actually cracked it. Just shove some of these in the oven. Shame that the shapes didn't come out quite good. That was wild. Okay. On to the next recipe. Next one is one I think we all know how I feel about it. It is from Trader Joe's and it's called Everything But the Bagel Seasoning. Yes, I will put my hands up. I have emailed the Trader Joe's team and been like, please come to London, or please, is there a way of me getting Everything But the Bagel Seasoning? Or to be honest, I just want to go to Trader Joe's. It's one of my life goals. I just want to go there and explore. It just looks sublime. But at the moment, obviously, that's out of the question. So we're going to make our own. I just see everyone with it. We're going to weigh everything out. And we're going to go in with our sesame seeds. Can we just talk about how obsessed I am with sesame seeds at the moment? They have 97% calcium. How great is that? Just no one ever talks about them. They just don't get the street cred that they deserve. I really think that sesame seeds deserves more praise because they're really, really great. Chia seeds, who are you? All about sesame seeds, thank you. I'll literally sprinkle them on anything. We've got the roasted black sesame seeds, which are also impeccable. And then the last addition, which is so bougie, are the Maldon sea salt flakes. Oh my gosh, it looks like it. No, I'm actually, no. Made my own Trader Joe's seasoning. Now, the thing is, obviously, you don't just try this like a lick. It's like when other people try Marmite for the first time and they put it on like it's Nutella. No, there is ratios, there is a way to do that. And let me tell you, slapping it on Nutella isn't the way. Imagine you put this on like avocado toast, any different things really, whatever your heart desires. Some on the finger, just to get a gist of it. Obviously, it is salty though, so. That's the salt. That is the salt kicking in. It's everything I ever wanted. Look at, I'm really thoroughly impressed with that. Pasta, what else can we put it on? Mix, hummus, boiled eggs, chicken, fish, baked potatoes, cream cheese. Okay, so up next what we're going to be making is Pop-Tarts. Strawberry Pop-Tarts. I can hear what you're saying.
But Grace, you can just get those in Tesco's from the American food section.
That's so true, but it's so true about all these foods. I can, but it doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel right buying them from the American food section because if I'm honest, I'm just going to be honest. When I buy American food in England, it's not the same. Like, I have tried Lucky Charms that have been bought in England and they're not the same. Kind of like knockoffs, but I don't know how they're allowed to get away with that. I'm not sure. I'll crack and open the hob and I'm gonna make our berry filling that we've got there. There are like ones of all different flavours. They have like cinnamon ones. They're wondrous. Honestly, the innovation. When I think about innovation, I think of the Oreo one in America, to be honest with you. I've made the lovely berry filling and now we're about to cut you up. Oh my gosh, I feel like I'm in, you know, Into All the Boys I've Loved Before, where she makes those little pie things. Fun! Oh my gosh, this is probably the funnest one. I don't know why this one's so much fun. Then we want to take 1 tablespoon of filling. That doesn't seem like much, but I'm going to follow what they've said. Now I'm always overzealous with my filling. I genuinely feel like I'm in a rom-com right now, making these for my kids. Why am I always imagining that I have kids? What's going on there then? The thing is, I don't really like stewed fruit, so I don't know why I did this. So cute, I love it, I'm obsessed. We have nothing like this in the UK, can I bring it out? I should just literally copy everything from America. I should make bagel seasoning, sell that. I am surprised that no stores in England have made bagel seasoning and sold it. I'm so proud of them, they all look so beautiful. Okay, and there you go, and then we need to prepare the icing and decoration station. Oh my word, they look so cute. pie. Whoa. Tarts are done. And I'm not gonna lie, they look flipping adorable. And we're gonna make the glaze that goes on top. It was so therapeutic and fun to make. Honestly, highly recommend making some. It's a good time. Sieving icing sugar is so boring. Also, wait, aren't you supposed to put Pop-Tarts in the toaster? Unfortunately, we do not have the sprinkles that are ideal. We do have unicorn confetti, and I mean, who doesn't want a bit of unicorn confetti in their life? I flipping love these sprinkles. Dr. Oetker, they get it right every time. Do I need a knife to... No. Right, now's the pièce de résistance. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I'm obsessed. Stop, I love it. I'm actually obsessed with that. I'm absolutely buzzing about that. That looks so precious. I don't think I have any other words than love it, to be honest. How do I become so obsessed with things? What is that in my personality that I do something once and I'm like, I want to do it and do it and do it. And then I hit a wall and I'm like,
I never want to do it again.
I mean, they're not the prettiest. I probably should have done the icing a bit more neat. But to be honest with you, I think it adds a bit of personality and pizzazz. Look how flipping cute they are. Okay, we have to try. Okay, should I break it in half so you can see the filling? I hope there's enough filling. Oh my gosh. Oh wow, it looks like a Pop-Tart. I personally would put more berry filling in that. I feel like it's lacking in the berry department. I thought 1 tablespoon wouldn't be enough, but I followed it. But it is good. What do you think of the Pop-Tart?
Very good.
Does it resemble a Pop-Tart?
Resembles, yeah.
Do you like Pop-Tarts?
Not really.
Is that better than a Pop-Tart?
Yeah.